locked in here before, so, and I'm waiting for Caitlin to come up the escalators. I don't know where she is. Yoo-hoo! Hi! Hi! Hi, Lauren! Say hi! Hi! Nice to finally meet you! I know! Oh my god! Oh! We made it!
I know.
I'm so oh, I just turned it on.
Oops.
Sorry.
Okay. New vlogception.
Vlogception.
She didn't have it on the last time.
My bad.
Oops. Why is there like river pools on the Disney?
Stand clear of the door. Manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Puertas.
Puertas. I feel like I won't be hitting myself by this. Am I hitting myself?
Yes.
Cool. Need to figure out how far away I need to hold it to actually like hit myself.
I just hold it the full distance.
I'm going in.
Oh my gosh, it's so...
Okay, did you see my vlog about like when I was doing story time?
No.
Okay, so in the video I took...
I'm gonna cry.
I think we are. I think it is. I'm pretty
All
sure.
the anticipation.
Dun 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 dun. This is what you have to live with. This is what you have to live with for 8 months.
7 months.
I can see your reflection.
Look at monorail. I cannot see anything.
Oh, here we are. You're gonna be able to only see the station until we leave, though.
Oh well.
It's okay.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I'm gonna run out of battery is the problem. Hello! Hello!
It's me. Which one are you getting?
I want to get the Chef Mickey's one and the Contemporary Resort one.
We're done. We're waiting for the rest of the roommates. Here we are. Chef Mickey. Look, Chef Mickey. Yes! Hi!
Hey!
Okay. Yeah, our brother's going up. No, it's fine. No, we understand. Nice to meet you guys. Okay.
These are also pretty quick.
Alright, let's go take a picture.
Vibrating in my hand.
Yeah, I do.
If you're not getting your button that you want.
Now you have 2 napkins.
So Donald just giving you a napkin?
Something of a mac and cheese.
Yeah, I got it on camera. The room is underneath the restaurant. There's another biscuit.
Mickey, anything Mickey. Goofy shakes his booty.
I wish you were that